Imagine a time before time existed. There was no space, no matter, just an unimaginable void. Then about 13.8 billion years ago, everything changed. The universe was born in a massive explosion called the Big Bang. In a fraction of a second, the universe expanded from an infinitely small point to an incredibly dense and hot state. As the universe expanded, it cooled, and energy began to transform into matter. First came fundamental particles like quarks and electrons. These particles combined to form protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atoms. It was a chaotic and energetic time, but it set the stage for everything that would follow. As the universe continued to expand and cool, gravity began to play a role. Tiny variations in the density of matter caused some regions to clump together. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger and denser, pulling in more and more matter. The immense pressure and heat at the centers of these collapsing clouds of gas and dust eventually ignited nuclear fusion. This is the process where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. Thus, the first stars were born. These early stars were massive and short-lived, but they played a crucial role in enriching the universe with heavier elements. When these stars exploded as supernovae, they scattered these elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into space. About 4.6 billion years ago, in a relatively quiet corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a new star was forming, our Sun. Around this young sun, a swirling disk of leftover gas and dust began to coalesce. Over millions of years, gravity pulled these particles together, forming larger and larger bodies. This process of accretion eventually led to the formation of planets, including our own Earth. The early Earth was a very different place than it is today. It was a hot volcanic world with a toxic atmosphere and constant bombardment from asteroids and comets. However, even in this harsh environment, the stage was set for life to emerge. Water, essential for life as we know it, arrived on Earth through a combination of volcanic outgassing and impacts from icy comets. Section 4. Life finds a way. The emergence of life on Earth is one of the most remarkable events in the history of the universe. While the exact details of how life arose from non-living matter remain a mystery, we know that it must have happened sometime between 4 billion and 3.5 billion years ago. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms that likely thrived in Earth's early oceans. These early microbes gradually changed the planet, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere through photosynthesis. This oxygenation of the atmosphere paved the way for the evolution of more complex life forms, eventually leading to the incredible diversity of plants and animals we see today. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, all life on Earth shares a common ancestor, linked together by billions of years of evolution. Section 5. We are all connected. Understanding the epic tale of creation, from the Big Bang to the emergence of life, is a profound experience. It reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. The atoms in our bodies were forged in the hearts of stars, and the molecules that make up our DNA were present in the primordial soup of the early Earth. We are literally made of star stuff, connected to every other living thing on this planet and to the vast cosmos beyond. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. And in doing so, we may just discover the answers to some of life's biggest questions. Who are we? And where do we fit into this grand cosmic scheme?